Bonjour and welcome back to Airlearn French. Today we're doing something super useful. Everyday French sentences that you can use immediately when speaking with native speakers. These are short, natural, and exactly the kind of phrases you'll hear in real conversations. And honestly, if you memorize even half of these, your daily French will feel much smoother. And if you want a little extra help through this learning journey, Airlearn can be your easy choice. The app is designed to make learning languages simple and fun. All right, let's get into the sentences. Quoi de neuf? What's up? Quoi de neuf aujourd'hui? What's up today? Salut! Quoi de neuf? Hey, what's new? Quoi de neuf dans ta vie? What's new in your life? Ça fait longtemps. It's been a long time. Ah, toi, ça fait longtemps. Hey, you, it's been a long time. Ça fait longtemps qu'on s'est pas vu. It's been a long time since we've seen each other. Let's keep the flow going with more things you can say in daily conversations. Je suis fatiguée. I am tired. Je suis fatiguée. Je n'ai presque pas dormi. I'm tired. I barely slept. Je suis fatiguée après le travail. I'm tired after work. J'ai sommeil. I'm so sleepy. J'ai sommeil. Je vais me coucher. I'm sleepy. I'm going to bed. Il est tard. J'ai sommeil. It's late. I'm sleepy. Je suis occupée. I'm busy. Désolée. Je suis occupée pour le moment. Sorry. I'm busy right now. Je suis occupée cette semaine. I'm busy this week. Great. Now, let's look at what to say when you're running late or making plans. Je suis en retard. I'm late. Je suis en retard. J'arrive dans 5 minutes. I'm late. I'll be there in 5 minutes. Désolée, je suis en retard pour le rendez-vous. Sorry, I'm late for the meeting. À demain. See you tomorrow. Merci pour aujourd'hui. À demain. Thank you for today. See you tomorrow. On se retrouve demain matin? Shall we meet tomorrow morning? Tu me manques. I miss you. Tu me manques beaucoup. I miss you a lot. Mes amis me manquent. I miss my friends. Let's continue with phrases you can use when making decisions or expressing certainty. Je pense que oui. I think so. Est-ce qu'il va venir? Je pense que oui. Is he coming? I think so. Penses-tu qu'il va pleuvoir? Je pense que oui. Do you think it's going to rain? I think so. C'est vrai? It's true? Ah oui, c'est vrai. Oh yes, that's true. Tu as raison, c'est vrai. You're right, it's true. Je n'aime pas ça. I don't like that. Honnêtement, je n'aime pas ça. Honestly, I don't like that. Je n'aime pas ce genre de film. I don't like that kind of movie. A lot of conversations are simply reacting, so let's continue. J'ai faim. I'm hungry. J'ai faim. On va manger quoi? I'm hungry. What are we eating? Après le travail, j'ai toujours faim. After work, I'm always hungry. J'ai soif. I'm thirsty. J'ai soif. Tu as de l'eau? I'm thirsty. Do you have water? Je meurs de soif. I'm dying of thirst. All right, now let's move to phrases that show uncertainty. Je ne sais pas. I don't know. Désolé, je ne sais pas. Sorry, I don't know. Je ne sais pas comment répondre. I don't know how to answer. Pas de problème. No problem. Merci pour ton aide. Pas de problème. Thanks for your help. No problem. Pas de problème, je peux t'aider. No problem, I can help you. Pourquoi pas? Why not? On sort ce soir? Pourquoi pas? Should we go out tonight? Why not? Tu veux essayer ce restaurant? Pourquoi pas? You want to try that restaurant? Why not? Perfect. Now, let's move to emotions and deeper feelings. Je m'ennuie. I'm bored. Je m'ennuie. On fait quelque chose? I'm bored. Should we do something? Il s'ennuie pendant le cours. He's bored during the class. Moi aussi. Me too. J'adore ce film. Moi aussi. I love this movie. Me too. Je vais aller au café. Moi aussi. I want to go to the café. Me too. Je suis triste. I'm sad. Je suis triste aujourd'hui. I'm sad today. Elle est triste à cause du film. She's sad because of the movie. Almost done. Let's finish with practical, super useful daily expressions. Je n'ai pas le temps. I don't have time. Désolé, je n'ai pas le temps maintenant. Sorry, I don't have time now. Je n'ai pas le temps de parler. I don't have time to talk. Attends-moi. Wait for me. Attends-moi, j'arrive. Wait for me. I'm coming. Attends-moi, je finis vite. Wait for me. I'll finish quickly. J'ai hâte. I can't wait. J'ai hâte de te voir. I can't wait to see you. J'ai hâte que le week-end arrive. I can't wait for the weekend. And voila. You've just learnt a whole set of everyday French sentences that real native speakers use all the time. If you start using even 5 of these today, your French will instantly feel more natural and confident. And if you want to review all these sentences with audio and speaking practice, the Airlearn app has a complete lesson for this topic. It's the best way to make these phrases automatic when you speak. Make sure to practice a little every day. Even 5 minutes makes a huge difference. À bientôt. Bisous, bisous, and I'll see you in the next lesson.